Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Mazzer Luigi espresso grinder that we have right here. So for this grinder we replace the Burrs, the ones that you see right here, these ones, and we also had to deep clean everything inside that grinder. We basically disassembled the entire base of the Burrs, remove them, deep clean everything inside, polish them around them, make sure the other coffee was completely gone. Then we put it back together, recalibrate it, assemble it, and yeah, that's all what we did. We also clean up a little bit the hopper. We didn't disassemble or anything, we just clean up a little bit, and now let's test it out. And as you can see, going pretty fast. There we go. Perfect. Now you can see better. As you can see, currently is only pretty good, working extremely great. Can be calibrated for coarser or finer as well, and you still have a big wide range of calibration around here. So yeah, that's all what we did with this grinder, and as you can see, this pencils pretty well, works extremely great. So thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.